Hello friends, welcome back. As we know that we have started chapter 1, that is introduction to accounting. Now in this video we will do bookkeeping, difference between bookkeeping and accounting, and types of accounting information. So first of all I want to tell you about bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is a process of recording financial transactions and events in the books of accounts. It means it is a process of only recording the financial transactions. It involves identification, measuring, recording, and classifying the financial transaction. It means it is the oldest method which was previously used in accounting, but now it is a part of accounting. As we know that in case of accounting we are also following all these steps. Including all these steps in that accounting, we have to make summarizing, interpreting, and communicating the financial transaction to different users. So we can simply say that bookkeeping is a part of accounting. Clear? Now what is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting? We can differentiate bookkeeping and accounting on the basis of these points. First point is scope. In case of scope, we have to write bookkeeping is a process of the same meaning. It is the process of recording the financial transaction and classifying them. But it means in case of bookkeeping, we have to record the transaction and classify the transaction. But in case of accounting, it is a process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, and summarizing the financial data and communicating them to different users. Now stage, as I have told you, that bookkeeping is the primary stage and accounting is secondary stage. It means where bookkeeping stops, ends, accounting begins. Objective of bookkeeping is to maintain records. Just to maintain records. But in case of accounting, the objective is to summarizing them and calculating profit or loss of the business along with its balance sheet. Clear? Now nature of job, bookkeeping is routine in nature. As we know that every businessman has to record the transaction on daily basis. They never call accountant daily. So bookkeeping is routine in nature, but accounting is analytical in nature. Means once in a while accountant came and with the help of all the recordings he classified and summarizing all the transactions. Now performance, bookkeeping is performed by junior staff. Any person can make bookkeeping, but accounting is made by senior staff. In the same way, special skills. In bookkeeping, no special skills is required. The person who is able to write the amount or write in English, they can simply record the transaction. But in case of accounting, special skills are required. That is, if a person has to record or make accounting, the person must have the degree of CA from ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. So these are the differences of bookkeeping and accounting. And in this video, we have to do one more topic, that is accounting, types of accounting information. Now, accounting information can be provided in two ways. Topic is types of accounting information. With the help of accounting, two types of information can be prepared by the accountant. They are, first is, normally they are three in nature, but third one is not in your syllabus in 11th standard. So I will discuss it later on. Type of accounting information, first is the main information which is provided with the help of accounts is known as income statement. Second one is position statement. Income statement, as the name clear itself, it helps a businessman to calculate its net income, net profit or net loss. It helps to know the profitability of the company or the firm. So for calculating income of the business, we have to prepare two accounts. They are known as trading account and profit and loss account. With the help of trading account, a businessman can calculate gross profit earned or gross loss incurred. And with the help of profit and loss account, businessman is able to calculate its net profit or net loss. It shows income of the business, net income of the business on which the businessman has to pay tax. Now in case of position statement, how can we know the position of the business? Tell me, how can we calculate our position? With the help of assets we are having, we are using different type of commodities, they identify our position. So in the same way, in case of business organization, position statement is prepared, that is simply known as balance sheet. In case of balance sheet, we have to prepare the balance sheet in this format. All the assets has to be written on right hand side and all the liabilities we have to write on left hand side, and this is for rupees. We must know one thing, that balance sheet is prepared on a particular date, so we have to write it as at 31st March of the accounting period. In this, when we have to prepare balance sheet, total of assets must be equal to total of liabilities. As the name identified, balance sheet, balance means we have to balance all the things. So our assets, total of assets must be equal to total liabilities. Now in next class we will do system of accounting and other characteristics of accounting. Till then, keep on watching my channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.